He touching a million coochie, doing good, jump Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you on.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jamelah, back with another video.
Your intelligence, you caught me. You screwed me. Give me something to think about.
And we're all packed. So basically, well, I'm done packing, but I still got a couple things to pack in the morning, like toothbrush and stuff like that, and my other lotion and stuff, and my chargers, and my Apple Watch and all that. Well, Apple Watch charger. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the outfit I plan on wearing tomorrow. I don't know which one, but we're gonna pick one and we're gonna put the other one in the bag if we don't pick that one. But I already know. I think I would know which one I'm gonna wear, but I don't know yet. Like, don't mind the bed, but these the two outfits. Yeah. So I'll see y'all in the morning when we're finna get ready to leave. Or before that. Either or. Bye. Hey y'all, it's the next morning. Right now I'm gonna fix my hair up. And yeah, this is a little bit. I love tights. I don't have my shoes on yet. And I went a little raw. And this is the jacket I just got on because it's not like hot outside for real. I don't know. But yeah, I already brushed my teeth and stuff. So basically, it's like the last thing I'm doing, and then make sure everything is packed and good, and then we're leaving. I'm all done. This is my hair. Yeah, so now we'll go pack the rest of this stuff and get moving. Okay, I'm leaving at the house now. Gonna get in the car. So I'll see y'all on the road, more than likely. And then, yeah, we pulled over at the gas station. We pumped the gas, and we I went to the restroom, and now I'm gonna drive. So I'll see y'all when we make it. Bye. We made it.
Oh, I didn't even look
to
at our
New
parking
Orleans.
spot. It's 3 what?
And Headed to the hotel. I'm not staying here with them, y'all. I'm going with my man. Yes, he stay here. That's the only reason we're really here for real. But yeah, he gonna come pick me up. So, yo, I get to y'all when we get in the hotel. We in the hotel, my mama's hotel. They got a balcony. That's the balcony. This is the in hotel room. Yo, I'm so red. It's so bright. Light skin. See y'all when I'm with my. Hey, you too. I'm with my man now. I know what we finna do, but I'll get to y'all when we get here. Show y'all a little bit. Good morning. We left Diamond at home by herself.
That's not smart.
How? We only gonna be gone for a day, so.
You gonna shit and shit all over the place.
She don't do that. She could. I could take her outside one time a day, and then she could wait all the way to the next day for real. No matter what time it is. My dog is trained. Thank you. We really supposed to live at like 6, but my mama, she supposed to wake up at 5. She overslept because she didn't go to sleep till 4:30 in the morning. She should never went to sleep at that point. I ain't go to sleep till about 2 in the morning, though. Like 3 almost. So, yeah. And then we had to go pick up my TT. My TT stay almost like an hour. My TT stay almost like an hour. You know I can edit this shit. I be cursing too, forgetting.
You motherfucker need to get her ugly ass out the fucking room.
I don't even know. I hope they ain't walk because it had to start pouring down rain. I never.
Oh, they probably did walk. I wouldn't drive around this motherfucker. Fuck that. They ain't got no parking.
Because they said they were going to Walmart or the mall or something. They were saying they were going somewhere. They were going.
Yeah.
We at this Jamaican restaurant right now. We order our food. Just waiting, to be honest. Y'all, we at, I forgot, City Park or something like that. It's real nice. It's real big. Real nice, real big, real nice, real big. I'm finna get big ass. I'm finna get big ass. Finna get big ass. Get big ass. How many will come with?
3.
Give me one. How you feeling myself? This all I do on the camera. Ain't nobody gonna watch me.
You gotta like explain the process.
Y'all, okay, so basically I got a beignet right here, and it's powdered sugar in here, and you basically gotta sugar it up so that the beignet can get covered in powdered sugar.
It's hot. I'm not so sweating. I'm gonna go my back inside.
Damn, how you sweating? Shit, my legs came over so damn ain't hot enough.
I'm sweating.
God, Lord, this is gonna be really hot.
Yeah, they hot.
I gotta get my picture. Okay, hey y'all. Headed to a hotel. Don't mind my heart. It look a hot mess. But we're back. We're in the hotel. Hey y'all. Better go Bourbon. I know I ain't checked in with y'all in a while. Y'all know it's been in a while. I took a nap. But I'm up now.
Over there, this nigga talking.
Hey y'all, this is the end of the video. I'm back at home. Just a one-day little trip. We will see him again, don't worry. And we're gonna vlog that. Don't mind my hair, it look a mess. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.